Hello, my name is Arturo. I will to talk about the topic what is energy and aspects of energy change. To start this topic, I will talk about the concept energy. Energy is the ability of the matter produce work in the form of movement, light, heat, electricity, among others. The energy has many types, such as atomic energy, electric energy, wind energy, light energy, hydraulic energy, thermal energy, chemical energy, potential energy, solar energy. The energy, according to its origin, is divided in two types: renewable energy and non-renewable energy. We are in daily contact with energy, for example, when performing daily tasks such as turning on a photo, the mechanical energy sends the signal to the switch and produce light energy, as well as using the microwave oven to heat the food. We use electromagnetic energy, which heat the molecules of water and that after its consumption produces chemical energy in the
Hello, my name is Fabian and I am going to talk about the non-renewable energy. Non-renewable energy refers to those energy sources that are found in natural and limited amount and once consumed in its entirety cannot be replaced, since there are enough production or extraction system variable. There are two types, fossil fuels and nuclear energy. Fossil fuels include petroleum, coal, and natural gas. Then depends most of the industry and transport at present, and fossil fuel is composed of the remains of organisms that lived millions of years ago. Energy is obtained by burning these products and process which there are large amounts of carbon dioxide and other gases emit into the atmosphere. Nuclear energy is the energy from nuclear reaction, or the disintegration of the nuclei of the same atoms, originates in the liberation of energy stored in the same. Some advantage of non-renewable energy is that it has led to great advances in the industry. The cost obtained is low and are very useful in the daily life. But the disadvantage not much harm our environment, so it generates many problems like global warming that include acid rain, climate change, and others.
Hello, my name is Brian and I'm going to talk about the renewable energies. The renewable energies are the cleanest alternative for the environment. They are found in nature in an unlimited amount. There are so much as hydraulic energy. It's produced by the fall of water. The water in its fall passes through the hydraulic turbines which transmit the energy to an alternator which converts the distinct energy in electrical energy. Other source of energy is wind power. In a few words, it's a kinetic energy produced by the wind. A solar energy. A solar energy is provided by the sun in form of electromagnetic radiation like light, heat, or ultraviolet rays mainly. Another source is geothermal energy. It's stored under the Earth's surface in a form of heat and linked to volcanoes of the hot springs. Another source is seawater energy. The movement of the tides are able to generate electrical energy in a clean way. The energy produced by the waves is the wave energy. Another source, and finally, is the energy of humans. It is the one coming from the use of animal organic matter, includes an agricultural, livestock, and forest.
Hello, my name is Gael and I am going to talk about the hydraulic energy. that is obtained from the use of kinetic and potential energies of the water current, waterfalls or tides. It can be transformed to very different scales. This topic is relation to stage 1, which is fluid when using water and also using to generate energy in a more efficient way and with less environmental wear. In addition, I will talk about the thermodynamic energy that deals with heat transfer, the conversion of energy, and the capacity of the system to produce work that we saw in stage 2 with specific heat, chunks of state, etc. Likewise, a type of energy that is related to heat is geothermal. Currently, among all sources of sustainable energy, hydraulics for excess other sources such as solar, wind, or electricity.
My name is Angel. I'm going to talk about some news about some oscillations. Electrical oscillation generates disadvantage with the supply of drinking water in some sectors of San Nicolas. Due to electrical oscillations and possible damage to one of the main energies of the well field, ADESA reports that there are problems with the supply of drinking water in some sectors of San Nicolas. There will be delays in 48 hours in the distribution of the water shift into the neighborhoods with frequent service. Las Puentes, Las Colinas, Santo Domingo, University City, to mention the most important, while the sector with permanent service of Las Margaritas, Ciudad Jardín, El Bosque, Medellín, there will show absence of the service during the peak hours. ADESA carry out the truck technical review process to implement action that allow this service to be normalized in the shortest possible time. Well, and what is an electrical oscillation? We have three types to electrical oscillation. The first is the LC circuit free oscillation. The mechanical equivalent to the LC circuits are the oscillation of a system formed by the point mass attracted to perfectly elastic spring. The hydraulic equivalent is the system formed by two communicate valves. The second circuit is RLC, damped oscillations. Free oscillation don't occur in real circuit since every circuit has a resistance. The third and last is LLC circuits connected to an alternate AFM force oscillations. The damped oscillation disappears after a certain time. To maintain the oscillation in a circuit, we can connect it to an alternate frequency. This is our section of questions about the topics that were previously discussed. What are the companies that are responsible for distribution of energy, electric energy? The companies that can sell electric energy in Mexico are Recurrent Energy Mexico Development, Reynosa Wind Farm, Sun Power System Mexico, Enel Green Power.
There is no renewable energy that does not damage the environment. Nowadays, there are nuclear power plants that use elements that do not harm the environment, do not emit gases that contribute to the greenhouse effect, use chimneys that emit water vapor, but have another type environment pollutants that are radioactive waste. Then, there are no renewable energy sources that do not harm environment as much as another but in its totality.
For our section question, what companies work with renewable energy in the world? Well, we have several examples as Grupo Sigma, Cistic, Geld Energy, Lobabor, Open Solar, Itelcom Mexico, Natural Project, and Fisica EcoSolar.
In our question section, we will add what percentage of electricity generated by hydroelectric plants in our country? Hydroelectric plants generate 13% of the country's total energy.